Hey everyone, on today's video, I want to show you how to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel, and make anything up to $100 to $200 every single day. There are so many different ways that you can make money on YouTube. And on this video today, I want to show you 5 of these different ways that you can make money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel. So make sure that you watch the entire video. I want to show you all 5 tips, and I'll give you a bonus at the end of this tip that's going to help you make even more money on YouTube. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, it's Alan here again from the Smart Video Tactics channel, where I bring you 3 videos a week that help you grow your YouTube channel, make some money along the way, and have the best impact. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell identification icon so that you don't miss out on any of the good stuff and we can grow together. So with that being said, today I want to show you how to make money on YouTube, even if you have a small channel. There are different ways to make money on YouTube, and I want to show you these 5 different ways on this channel, on this video today, so that you can start making money on YouTube straight after watching this video, or at least applying some of these principles to give you the best chance to make money on YouTube. The first obvious way that we're going to look at, guys, is obviously through Adsense. Now, if you're not monetized yet, keep watching because I'll show you different ways that you can obviously make money on YouTube. But I just want to show you that what is possible and what you can do. This is obviously one of my channels that I've got on YouTube. And as you can see, this is a few days worth of earnings, and I'm going to talk to you about CPM and what that means and what you can do. Now, you don't obviously want to rely on Adsense. It's obviously an awesome bonus that if you can get to this stage and you can make money on YouTube using Adsense, then why not? Okay, it's a reward for putting out videos and obviously bringing out good content, and people are watching your videos and you're getting rewarded for it. So the first way that you can make money on YouTube is obviously through Adsense. Now, what I want to show you when it comes to Adsense, okay, guys, if you come over to my Smart Money Tactics channel that I've got, if you scroll down here, you can have a look at, it's going to give you a rough estimate of what I'm earning every single month and potentially what my earnings are for the year. Now, I'll talk a little bit about CPM and obviously why this is a little bit out, and I'll explain that in a second. Now, when it comes to CPM, which is your cost per mile, you will earn a certain amount of money for every 1,000 views that you watch. So if you have a look at over here, it's going to show you that I'm earning anything between $3 and $47 every single day. It's a little bit out, guys. It's actually probably twice the amount of that. Okay, so I'm probably earning between $100 and $150 a day when it comes to AdSense, which is not bad. Okay, so that's just one way that you can make money on YouTube. Now, when you come over to Social Blade, when you come down over here, you've got this YouTube money calculator estimated earnings, and I'm going to show you how much you potentially need to be making, or how much views you need to get to make that $100 a day on YouTube. Okay, so if you click onto this, it's going to take you over to this page, and if you scroll down, you've got this neat little calculator over here that's going to show you how much views you need to get to be making money on YouTube. So let's say you've got a gaming channel, or you've got a vlog, or you've got a channel, that a comedy channel or something like that. What happens is your CPM, which is your cost per mile, which is what you're going to earn per 1,000 views, is going to be a lot less. So let's say that you're earning an average of between $1 and $3, which is about the average of those types of channels, and you're getting, say, 35,000 views every single day, then you're going to be earning anything from $35 to $105 every single day. Obviously, a $1 CPM is going to give you $35, and a $3 CPM is going to give you $105. The trade-off is, guys, when you're starting off a YouTube channel, or you're looking to start a YouTube channel, or you want to grow a YouTube channel, you need to think about what channel niche you want to go into. And the reason for that is, there's a trade-off. If you start like a comedy channel or a vlog channel, you're probably going to get a lot more views, but your CPM is going to be a lot low. If you go into a niche like I have, one of my channels is a make money online channel, I'm going to get a lot less views, but my CPM is going to be a lot higher, and my CPM is actually higher than what this can portray. Okay, so it's a lot higher than $10, which there's a trade-off there. Okay, guys, I'm not going to get millions of views every single video, but I'm going to get a much higher CPM. So it's something to think about. Obviously, when you think about different ways to make money on YouTube, if AdSense is one of them, then you need to think about what channel you want to start. Another way that you can obviously make money on YouTube, guys, is you can come over and you can start what we call affiliate marketing. Okay, guys, so you've obviously got your AdSense, and then there's affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is basically you promoting someone else's product and you get commission for it. So you could get anything from 5%, 10%, 50%, and there are some people that will pay you up to 75% and sometimes even 100% of the upfront cost of that product, because they will have upsells, which means, let's say that they were to sell this bottle of water, for example. You promote this bottle of water and you sell this bottle of water, and the bottle of water costs $2. That company is prepared to give you that in all that $2. But then on the back of that, when they get that information, they're going to try and sell that person a filter that costs $100. And if they sell that filter, then you might get 10% of that, but they'll get 90% of it. Okay, so that's how affiliate marketing works. So as you can see here on my Smart Money Tactics channel, I've got a link over here, which if anybody clicks onto it, it takes them onto a product that if anybody signs up to, I get paid. Now, if you're starting a brand new channel and you want to know how to make money on YouTube, you can sign up to sites like Amazon. Okay, guys. Now, a lot of people sign up to Amazon Associates because they can promote so many different types of products on their channel. There is so many. You can promote everything. If you're a makeup channel, if you're a barbecue channel, if you're a cooking channel, it doesn't matter what niche you're in. There are products on Amazon that you can promote and make money, and you can earn up to 10% for promoting that product. So if you were to promote a table, for example, and that table sells and you get 5% for it, it sells for $100, etc., or $200, you can easily make $5, $10, $20, but it very quickly adds up and you don't need to do anything special. All you need to do is sign up to Amazon Associates, okay? The other site that you can go to if you want to do affiliate marketing as a source of making money on YouTube, all you need to do is come over to here and sign up to a site potentially like ClickBank. Now, ClickBank is an affiliate marketing network. There's so many different affiliate marketing networks out there that you can sign up to, but this is just one of those ways that you can make money on YouTube because you can promote so many different products. If you scroll down here, you can see there's all these different categories, and if you promote any of these categories and you sell it, you can obviously get paid for that, and there's no sign up. All you need to do is sign up. There's no acceptance process and stuff like that, and you can obviously make money on YouTube as a small channel. Affiliate marketing is really, really powerful, guys, and people make a lot of money on YouTube with affiliate marketing. Adsense, as you saw, I can make a couple of $100 every single day, but I can tell you right now, I make a lot more from affiliate marketing, and a lot of people make a lot more from affiliate marketing on their channels than they do with Adsense. Okay, so if you're looking to start right, make sure that you're promoting something in your niche so that you can earn some money along the way and make that $100 to $200 as you're growing your YouTube channel, okay, and get your audience accustomed to the things that you're going to be promoting. Guys, just before we continue with the video, I want you to do a couple of things for me. If you're enjoying this video, smash that like button, guys, so I know that you appreciate, obviously, this video. And just go down the bottom and comment, make money on YouTube in 2020. So I know that you enjoy this video. And if you do enjoy this type of content, let me know in the comments, guys, and I'll continue to make different ways that, obviously, you can make money on YouTube. Let's keep going. So the next way that you can make money on YouTube with a small channel is you can come over to a site called Famebit.com, and Famebit.com is a site that you can sign up. As you can see, this site is obviously created by YouTube, and basically this is where you can come up to sign up and you can promote different types of branded deals. Okay, so if you come over to here, you can see that it's YouTube's branded content platform. If you scroll down, it's the leading marketplace for influencers, and if you come down here, you can have a look at this site, and once you sign up, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this, and I want to show you something. So check this out. If you come down here, you're going to see a whole range of different types of products that you can promote. And obviously you can see here, you can come over here, you can filter by category, you can filter by price. So if you only want to promote something where you're going to make $100, $50, etc. So what would happen is when you're creating your YouTube video, you would come over here and you'd have a shout out for this product. You'd mention it in your video. And for that privilege, you can earn up to $100, you can earn up to $500, etc. And there are people paying up to $5,000, $2,500, etc. So all you need to do is come over here, sign up to Famebit, and it's just one of those ways that you can make money on YouTube going into 2020. I'm obviously signed up to it. Haven't really promoted anything as yet because I'm looking to grow my own brand, my own channel. But as a small channel, if you're starting out, there is nothing wrong with coming over here and signing up and promoting any one of these different types of brand deals to make $100 to $200 to help you buy some equipment, grow your YouTube channel, etc. It's a fantastic way to make money on YouTube. Obviously, as you're starting out, if you don't have any AdSense yet, to obviously help you grow your YouTube channel, but it's just one of those sites where you can come over. It's obviously created by YouTube for a reason, guys, and there's a lot of different brands, as you can see here, and you just don't know, guys. There are a lot of people that buy stuff from small YouTubers than big YouTubers. Don't think if you only have 5 to 1,000 to 1,500 subscribers that you're not going to make these sales. You will definitely make these sales if you do obviously the right work. And when you click onto these, they will tell you exactly how they want their brand portrayed and how they want you to advertise that particular brand, so that obviously you don't obviously misrepresent or anything like that. It's just one of those ways that you can make money on YouTube, guys, and it's a fantastic way to get started. Another way to make money on YouTube with a small channel, guys, is by selling merchandise. So there's two ways that you can obviously sell merchandise on YouTube. The first one here is you can come over to a site called teespring.com. Now, Teespring is a site where you can go to create a whole range of different types of merchandise. You can create apparel, you can create home decorations, socks, phone cases, accessories, mugs, etc. And if you come down here and have a scroll down, you can see some of this stuff is actually by a few other YouTubers. Like this is Digital Millionaire. I'm pretty sure this is Kevin David. Yes, it is there. Digital Millionaire, Kevin David. Okay, there's another one over here. This is the Dog Squad. I'm not sure what that is. When you scroll down here, you can obviously see that there's a whole range of different types of merchandise that you can create. And I'll show you exactly what this looks like on a YouTube channel by somebody that is actually using this to make money on YouTube. Now, obviously, if you click onto any one of these categories up here, let's say if you click onto apparel, it will take you over to a page that looks like this. And Teespring is very, very simple. You can come over here, you can sign up, and you can create your own merchandise. And the way it works is anytime somebody purchases a product, Teespring will obviously create it, print it, and ship it out, and they get a fee for that. But the best part is you don't need to go order apparel, you don't need to go create anything. Until somebody purchases, nothing is created, so it doesn't cost you anything. So it's a fantastic way to make money on YouTube, okay, guys? These are really good small tips for YouTubers, and obviously how to make money online as a small YouTuber. And there is nothing wrong with starting out. You know, if you have a fishing channel and you have a special name for your fishing channel, whatever it is, guys, there are different ways that obviously you can create these types of merchandise, and you can obviously make money online with this. That's one way that you can obviously make money by selling merch. Another fantastic way that you can make money online as a small YouTuber, guys, is to use a site called Kit. Now, Kit is a site that's been created where YouTubers can go on and pretty much promote their entire kit, okay? Or as a channel, you can promote a kit of something that you're using. For example, if you come down here, there are a lot of YouTubers that promote their entire setup, their microphone, their computer, whether they're using a camera, whether they're using other types of equipment, their mouse, their headphones, etc. Just dropped half my pens, but that's okay. So there's different things that you can promote, okay? But then again, you can go into different things. You can have a makeup kit, you can have a fishing kit, you can have a cooking kit, okay? So there's all these different types of kits that you can create and promote, okay? So obviously he's Sean, he's got obviously a couple of YouTube channels. He's promoting his media kit, okay? So if you scroll down here, you'll find all these different things. And once you create this, it's very, very simple. You come over here, you create a kit, you connect it to Amazon, and this is one of the ways that you can make money on YouTube. And the way that looks, obviously, if I come over here and show you our YouTube channel, this is Kevin David. Obviously, he's promoting merchandise, so that's exactly what that looks like. And here's another channel over here, guys. As you can see, I'll just show you over here. It's got video gear I use, and he is this is Marcus Brownlee's channel, and he's promoting his kit, okay? So he promotes everything that he uses to create his YouTube channel, okay, guys? So these are ways that people are monetizing their YouTube channels, and obviously, as a small channel, you can do exactly the same and make money on YouTube, okay, guys? Now, the last way, the fifth way that you can make money on YouTube as a small channel, guys, is to do crowdfunding and to get, obviously, people to pay you for the stuff that you do on YouTube, especially when you're starting out, and if you don't have any AdSense, but you're creating content and you've got a lot of value to bring, and you're using that money to obviously grow, to invest in different things, you'd be surprised how much people will actually fund you for that. And one of the sites that a lot of people are using is called patreon.com. And what happens with Patreon is you can come over here as a small YouTuber or a large YouTuber, medium-sized YouTuber, it doesn't matter, this is for everyone, and you can basically create an account. And once you create an account, you can set up how you want to obviously promote your Patreon account and how you want to get paid. You can have different levels that you get paid, and you can give people different things. For example, you can have behind the scenes, and you can charge $5, for a month for every single person that signs up. So you can show them upcoming things, you can show them behind the scenes, look at stuff, etc. Or you could even have crowdfunding where people will pay you for something so you can get something completed, or you can even have giveaways. Okay, you can charge $5 and give away a computer, a laptop. You can charge $5 and give away more expensive items. A lot of people do that as well. So as you can see here, who uses Patrons? Well, obviously I'm making this video because I want small YouTubers to make money online. But obviously, as you can see, podcasters, video creators, musicians, visual artists, communities, writers, journalists, etc., gaming creators, all do it, guys. Okay, and how does it work? Basically, you come up, there's a membership, you sign up, and obviously anytime somebody signs up, they will get a percentage of what you make. So I'll show you exactly what this looks like. Okay, so when you come over to a YouTube channel, what you're going to see over here, this person is promoting a motorbike. Okay, and as you can see, if you click onto this, it's going to take you over to their Patreon account. Once you click onto that, obviously, guys, it'll take you over to their site. And as you can see, you've got 3 levels that people can sign up for. They can give you $5 a month, $10 a month, or $15 a month. And this person has 536 people that have signed up to their YouTube channel, or obviously their Patreon account, but they promote it through YouTube. So 536 people at an average of $10. Okay, 536 times 10. Because it's 5, 10, and 15, they could potentially be making anything from a couple of $1,000s to $5,000 and maybe a little bit more because they're not charging a lot. So $5,000 per month, guys, is a lot of money, especially if you're looking to make money online as a small YouTuber before you get your AdSense. So there are my few ways that you can obviously make money online with YouTube, and just a few small YouTuber tips, okay, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to obviously smash that like button and hit that subscribe button, guys, because I'll be coming out with videos 3 times a week to obviously help you grow your YouTube channel, have the best obviously impact, and make some money along the way, guys. Thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. I'm Alan from Smart Video Tactics. Until next couple of days, you guys stay safe and goodbye.